a vibrant jungle where sunlight beams, a parrot sings softly, echoing his dreams. His brilliant plumage flashes in hues of green and blue as his echo returns with a melody so true. With every squawking chirp that fills the air, the jungle joins in, dancing without a care. Curious monkeys swing high, listening to his song, while parrots in the canopy repeat the tune all day long. The gentle hum of leaves and the echoing sound creates a symphony of nature that spins all around. 11 colorful critters get enchanted by his call as his vibrant echo inspires one and all. A playful breeze is a song through the trees, merging with rustling leaves and whispers on the breeze. Make echo pace the jungle in brilliant light, filling every corner with pure musical delight. The friendliest monkeys swing high, listening to his song, while parrots in the canopy repeat the tune all day long. The jungle hum of leaves and the echoing sound creates a symphony of nature that spins all around. Friendly frogs add a ribbon in a cheerful refrain as the parrot's echo soars over tropical terrain. The jungle floor vibrates with a bold, lively beat, reflecting a harmony of stories both ancient and sweet. With every echo, his song grows deep and strong, uniting animal friends in a jubilant jungle song. As dusk descends,